Now we will learn how you can access your AWS instance or virtual machine on Windows platform. So first of all, I will open my web browser, go to EC2, click on instances. Okay, so these are the details for our instance. Now to access it, there are multiple options. So one of the option is like visiting PuTTY.org. So PuTTY is one of the widely used software to access Linux machine. You can download it on your Windows machine, and into PuTTY you can provide your IPv4 address for your AWS instance and select your PPK key. If you have generated PM key, then you can convert it to PPK by using PuTTYgen and try to access your machine. Another option, if you don't want to convert your key and if you want to take multiple types of access like VNC access, RDP access, or SSH access, so there is another great tool called MOBA Exterm. So this is available only for the Windows machine. So to download this machine, you can just go to downloads, download now, and there are two options. Like first one is a portable edition, which is like you can directly access MOBA Exterm instead of installing it, and another one is installer edition. So you can use one of the tool to access your machine. And another great example like which I personally use is Terminus. So to install the Terminus, it is available for the both Windows as well as MacBook. So on MacBook, I will just search for the Terminus in App Store. Okay, so this is the Terminus SSH and SFTP client. So you can directly download this. And now to access this machine, open the Terminus or any other tool which you have installed to take a SSH access of your newly created instance. Then click on new host. So it is asking me for IP address for my EC2 instance. So I will just go to AWS, copy this public IPv4 address, paste it here, and then label. Label means name for this host. So this is only for your reference purpose. So I will just give it a name like test VM. Okay. Thereafter username. So as of now we haven't enabled root user. So we have to use here AWS default username, which is EC2-user. If you forgot this, just go to AWS, select the instance, click on connect, go to SSH client, and here you can find the username. Thereafter, currently we haven't set any password for our instance, but we have key for this. So you can click on key, then specify the key path. So currently it is a /users/username/desktop/file name. If you want to find a path, you can simply open the terminal, go to desktop, use pwd, and here you can see my desktop's path is /user/username/desktop, and if I use ls, so here is a decrypt3r. So complete path will be /users/username/desktop/decrypt3r. Provide all the necessary details, click on connect. Now add the ECDSA fingerprint, and the instance is accessed. You can use whoami to check you are currently logged in username. So this is how you can easily access your newly generated instance on your MacBook as well as Windows.